Once upon a time, through the bustling streets of Mumbai, he lived a young footballer named J.P. Johnson. His passion for the game was only by his music, sharing his pictures of the world. Jay was not just a player, he was also a YouTuber, capturing every goal, every dribble, every...
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Switch in India. So guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on what. Guys, we are picking a spot in Oyabo side. So guys, as you can see, beautiful, hot Sundar Major. Okay guys, so you guys see, these are my people down here. Okay, so we're gonna enjoy and vlog together in this beautiful nature.
A famous YouTuber. They all admire
let's do one magic, okay?
The footballer who weaved the magic on the field and the creator who shared his journey.
Okay guys,
word spread quickly and soon Jay's YouTube channel gained thousands of subscribers. His videos showcase not only his football skills but also the vibrant culture of India. The bustling markets, the colorful festivals, and the mouth-watering street food. His Facebook page, Peter TV, became a hub for fans to discuss matches, share memes, and share for their
hello!
Instagram, where he went by the handle Yuba Pinzi. There he posted snapshots of his life beyond football.
Approached him. The man's eyes twinkled with wisdom.
He said, "You are more than a footballer or a YouTuber. You are a bridge between cultures, dreams, and passions. Your videos inspire kids to chase their goals, both on and off the field." Uche nodded, humbled by the old man's words. Never thought of it that way.
Remember, the old man continued. A bridge connects two shores to connect India and the world, showing that the beauty of both. But bridges need strong foundations. Keep nurturing your love for football and let your creativity flow. Who knows what other bridges you might build?
From that day on, Uche embraced his dual role with renewed purpose. He scored goals that echoed across stadiums and edited videos that resonated with hearts worldwide. And whenever he stepped onto the field, he imagined himself as a bridge, spanning continents and inspiring dreams.
And so, the legend of Uche Peter grew, a footballer, a YouTuber, and a bridge that brought joy, hope, and a little magic to everyone who followed his journey.
Don't ask me for the question. If you man mount.
Once upon a time, through the bustling streets of Mumbai, he lived a young footballer named J.P. Johnson. His passion for the game was matched only by his enthusiasm for sharing his adventures to the world. Jay was not just a player, he was also a YouTuber, capturing every goal, every dribble, and every victory on his channel. Athlete Jay.
One sunny afternoon, as Uche practiced his free kicks at a local park, he noticed a group of children huddled around a small screen. Curious, he approached them and discovered they were watching his latest video. Their eyes widened with awe as they saw him score a stunning goal during a match against a rival team.
Are you J.P.? One of the kids asked, starstruck.
Uche grinned and nodded.
That's me. Why?
The children introduced themselves. One dreamed of becoming a footballer like Uche. Another hoped to be a famous YouTuber. They all admired Uche's dual identity. The footballer who weaved the magic on the field and the content creator who shared his journey. Word spread quickly and soon Uche's YouTube channel gained thousands of subscribers. His videos showcased not only his football skills but also the vibrant culture of India, the bustling markets, the colorful festivals, and the mouth-watering street food. His Facebook page, Uche Peter TV, became a hub for fans to discuss matches, share memes, and cheer for their favorite player. But Uche's heart belonged to Instagram, where he went by the handle Yuba Pinzi. There he posted snapshots of his life beyond football, the sunsets over the Arabian Sea, the rickshaw rides through chaotic traffic, and the moments when he connected with fans during impromptu meetups.
One day, after Uche sat by the sea, contemplating his unique journey, an old man approached him. The man's eyes twinkled with wisdom.
Uche, he said, "You are more than a footballer or a YouTuber. You are a bridge between cultures, dreams, and passions. Your videos has inspired kids to chase their goals, both on and off the field. Uche nodded, humbled by the old man's words. Never thought of it that way.
Remember, the old man continued, the bridge connects to shores. Connect India to the world, showing that the beauty of both. But bridges need strong foundations, keep nurturing your love for football, and let your creativity flow. Who knows what other bridges you might build.
From that day on, Uche embraced his dual role with a new purpose. He scored goals that echoed across stadiums and edited videos that resonated with hearts worldwide. Whenever he stepped onto the field, he imagined himself as a bridge, spanning continents and inspiring dreams.
And so, the legend of Uche Peter grew, a footballer, a YouTuber, and a bridge that brought joy, hope, and a little magic to everyone who followed his journey next.
Finally.
That's about life in the bustling streets of Mumbai. He lived a young footballer named Uche Peter. His passion for the game was matched only by his enthusiasm for sharing his adventures to the world. Uche was not just a player, he was also a hero.
This is the thing that I think
And everything free on his channel.
we now.
One sunny afternoon, as Uche practiced his free kicks at a local park, he noticed a group of children huddled around a small screen. Curious, he approached them and discovered they were watching his latest video. He realized right as they scored stunning goals during the match against the rival team.